Uh, Start.
Good morning, everyone. Myself Raj Lakshmi, and I'm from Maharaja Institute of Technology. Today, I'm going to explain the internship project. The topic is LPG gas leakage detector using IoT. Contents about the company, technologies and services, proposed system, objectives, application overview, work experience, outcomes, challenges, and conclusion. About the company, Intralux Software Services provide a broad portfolio of information technology solution and business process to its clients. Its core portfolio comprises of product development, smart web solution, business process consulting services, as well as professional conversions and migrational services in information technology. It has experience in providing high quality solutions to clients in diverse business areas. Intrala focuses is on new technology services, provoken and soft effective method for each client. Working with customers to achieve their business objectives is their highest priority. Technology and services the company provides are mobile applications, programming languages, internet website development. Mobile applications are Android application, iOS application, and PhoneGap. Programming languages are Java, PHP, C Sharp, Ruby on Rails. Internet website developments are JavaScript, ASP, XML, Net architecture, Servlet, HTML. Internal services success in satisfying its customers stems from its commitments to a consistent methodology, effective product management technique, provoke an automated tool, quality assurance testing, and dedication professional. They also have quality management techniques which along with the mature development process ensure that high quality is delivered in every phase of software development and maintenance cycle. They also predefined process of software development life cycle, quality assurance, and document. Business model. Internal software services understand that every client has unique need and different way for required to fulfill them. They also offer several business model for this very reason. Each of the model has been designed to offer maximum benefits to mm, client. And the internal software services offers its customers to effectively fulfill the requirement and even actually add values to customer care business areas. The existing system is the detection is done manually and it takes time to inform the fire station. If the automated system is used, the detection fire, but it also control the LPG leakage detection. Disadvantages of existing system is manual switching off and on of LPG, manual way of identifying, loss of connection, power, more manpower. Proposed system, detection of fire in home or companies is necessary to avoid destruction of property due to fire accident, both natural and induced. Detection of fire whom fire can prove to be very important as it could means a difference between lives and deaths. Fire can occur from any point, anywhere at any point of the time. Hence, the presence of a fire alarm system by gas leakage detection and monitoring system help in keeping our family or our company safe. We propose an IoT-based automatic fire department alerting system that instantly and automatically alert the fire department and and uh, and alert the fire department and inform about the situation of gas leakage result as a serious problem in household and other areas where household gas is used. Therefore, the proposed gas leakage detection and monitoring system is developed to immediate action can be taken to detect the fire or LPG gas detection, perform suitable prevention measures like gas knob off and disconnect power supply, and then send SMS about the current location to the nearest fire station. The advantages of this system is maintenance of cost reduction, automated notifier, wireless communication, energy saving, reduction of manpower, automated electricity supply controller. The main objectives of this project is to detect the leakage of LPG system by sending messages through text message, light control system and Arduino audio detection to alert the people about the gas leakage. To alert the gas officer about the spillage of gas by instant messages with individual locations. The application overview. This is the hardware part of the product which contains the Arduino UNO, Arduino Nano, LCD display to display the text messages or about the SMS related, and processor Intel i3 and above, RAM 2 GB or above, hard disk 150 MB or above, and input devices are sensor like LPG gas detection and fire detection, display LED. Software applications are operating system which is Windows 7 and above, coding language, embedded C language, IDE and Audio Studio. And here the first diagram, LPG indicator, which is red indicates that LPG leakage, and the power in the second diagram indicates power off. The white diagram indicates there is no leakage in the company or house, and the yellow color indicates that the power on. The work experience, we had 5 other intern co-workers with me. It was a great exposure to the IT. I learned a lot from about how to communicate with people in the company who are very different from me. It taught me to work together as a team and how to contribute to the team with individual effect. Tasks were assigned from time to time and had to be submitted within a given deadlines to ensure continuous assessments and throughout understanding of the object. The outcomes are the technical outcomes are introduction to IoT, designing IoT architecture, and understanding the technologies. Non-technical outcomes are teamwork and communication. Teamwork, in the teamwork, everyone assigned individual in each one assigned with different work, which is given with different task, and we have to complete it by deadline. And communication, presenting the project that we had done, and research on the topic. We have to research about the topic, and we have to collect some papers that for the reference and gathering the information. The conclusion: after all the data had been gathered, analyzed and processed, the components arrived at the succeed conclusion. Therefore, the a researcher concluded that LPG gas detector will help a lot in terms of preventing any danger caused by gas leakage, and also help not to destruct destroying in the property or house anything, and useful as part of safety to avoid the gas leakage that can cause harmful result. It will also improve the safety of all users of liquefied petroleum gases. Thank you.